Morgan is driving our car as we go around Cody's parents' neighborhood. Morgan, are you driving the truck? Morgan, are you driving? And yes, we are, you can't see it, but we're weaving all over the road. Good thing they live in the middle of nowhere. Whoa!
Whoa! Watch out, Morgan. Watch out. End up in an accident.
Morgan, are you driving? Can you say truck? Truck.
Oh, we need some tins.
Okay. Adjusting the temperature. Maybe we shouldn't blog about this. Slightly illegal. Yeah, that'll be fun. Hey Morgan, can you say bye-bye? Over here.
Bye, Morgan.
Morgan, over here. Look at mommy. That's too bright. Okay.